I was going to say KeyPass could be owned by the CIA or Mossad. We don't know, but probably not. Okay, so you can either put it in or not put it in. In this case, I won't. We click on continue. We go to the next step. You must provide a password. I can't fucking remember the password.
There is a comment from all the people who are watching our composter that someone is coughing in the background.
Where is it coming?
I know there's somebody is people in Egypt are following us as a composter, and they kept sending me this. This is my first time, so.
Yeah, I got it too.
No, there's a problem with the connection, I think.
لا لا بس احنا مش بنكح يعني.
لا في problem with connection.
Connection.
مشكلة والله.
لا ما كح بقى يعني. اهو. We can
stop coughing to satisfy it's our staff.
All my life. Look in that grey box there behind you. If you lift up the lid, you'll find that there's a little block of codes in there for the have a look and see if you can see.
Probably something, with the sound.
ممكن مين اللي بيحرك الكاميرا؟
Roger? Vad du sett om det finns fler såna här home-run-grejerna, alltså var de finns?
Wait, you want the password? You want the password?
I can't find the wireless network.
Come in.
I'm back on 3G now. Do you have 3G? I'm back on 3G.
Is your network working for you?
Mine is working.
Yeah, but
Mine is easier.
what's this spot?
Yeah, my friends.
Okay, so if you click on, you can see that beneath the thing where it says put in your password, there's a thing that says skip this step. If you click on that, you get to the next step, which is this. And here, if you want to, you can, they've already put up a number of famous people that you could follow, which you seriously don't want to do. I mean, do you really want to follow the real Paula Abdul?
I'm following Queen Ronnie and she's fucking worthless.
Yeah, well, indeed, this could
be on YouTube really soon. And